SAMPO Food Processing Technology Limited is the Hungarian leading producer in the field of poultry processing technology and machinery. It has been in Hungarian ownership since 1990. Today, the organization employs more than 50 professionals in its factory headquartered near Page. Among the offered machinery, there is not only chicken, but also duck, goose, and turkey processing forms of technology. In addition to poultry, processing technology for other meats, primarily pork and beef, are also prepared, enabling contemporary forms of food processing. SAMPO Ltd has experience regarding design, production, and the assembly of complete poultry plants, including the total processing technology from stunning and plucking through evisceration, cutting, and lastly, the finished product packaging. SAMPO Ltd's products are uniquely customized. Additionally, SAMPO is the distributor regarding the highly respected world leader poultry processing machinery producer, Maine Food Processing Technology. Outfitted and suitably equipped using the Maine automated technology, SAMPO Ltd's capacity regarding chicken slaughterhouse production soars at 14,000 birds per hour. SAMPO Ltd also offers professionalism in the reconstruction, refurbishment, and servicing of existing machinery and equipment. Other characteristic products include the design and manufacture of belt conveyors and belt systems, including the distribution of modular belts. SAMPO Ltd also offers professionalism in the reconstruction, refurbishment, and servicing of existing machinery and equipment. SAMPO Ltd is one of the founding members of the Southwest Hungarian Engineering Cluster.
Készült Magyarország kormánya megbízásából az Európai Unió támogatásával.